just to show you that this is real right now. Now look at my Robux at the top right. Now make sure you watch this whole video until the end. And look, I just refreshed the page and I still have 887,000 Robux. Now, a question in the community is, how do you get your Robux for nothing? Because I got all my Robux for nothing. I did not spend a penny on this game. All of this is free Robux. Now, if you're watching now, do not click off this video. Don't skip anything because you might miss a step. Well, if you do skip, you will miss a step. And yeah, just do not click off. You watch it now. Just stay. All right. Watch this whole video throughout, and you will know how. Because you've probably been searching around YouTube for quite a while, probably, like on how to get free Robux. And this is an actual way. So please, just spend like a few minutes of your day. Just watch this whole video until the end. Do not skip anything at all. And I promise, right now, you at the end of this video will have a new method to get free Robux. Is that a deal, guys? So do not skip anything at all. Yes? And yeah. So, let me just show you some proof as well. More proof right now. So let's just go with a Dominus right now. Now, if we go to the avatar shop right here. Now, I do own the Dominus Rex right here. As you see, item owns. Obviously, I did this using the methods. And yeah, if I just go back, I don't know, it's kind of cool to be fair, but yeah, I have this one as well, actually, to be fair. Surprising that popped out. What else do I have? And then I have this one right here. It's pretty cool, to be fair. Item owns. Yeah, it's just cool, to be fair. Like, I have so much limiteds. I own that as well. What else do I own? I think I own... Oh, this one, actually, as well. I own this one. 500,000 Robux. Item owns. Actually, I have everything. Actually, you name it, I have it. And all of this is using this method that I use. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I feel like I've been talking for quite a while now. Now, just before I do, guys, I am hosting a huge Robux giveaway. Now, look at this right now. I am paying my subscribers Robux right now. To those who subscribe to the channel right now, leave a like on this video and comment down below their Roblox username 100 times. Now you may be thinking, 100 times, really? It's so easy, just copy and paste your name. Literally. So yeah, if you guys do want this, comment down below your Roblox username 100 times. Actually, is that a deal, guys? If you comment down below your Roblox username 100 times, I will guarantee you 100,000 Robux. So every time you comment, it's like 1,000 Robux. Is that a deal, guys? As you see on the right side, I have so much Robux. Honestly, I don't really care, to be fair, about Robux. So yes, you watching right now. If you comment down below your Roblox username 100 times, I will give you free Robux right now. I'll give you 100,000. But make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe right now. Is that a deal, guys? So yeah, comment down below your Roblox username 100 times. Just put each time. You don't have to put anything else. Just a username. Like I'll just assume that whatever you write is your username. So hopefully that covers it over there. So yeah, now how do you get free Robux? How do you pretty much do this? Now it's a question in the community we've had in the past decade. Roblox has been around for the past, Roblox has been since 16, 17 years ago, I would say. Yeah, I would say, yeah, I would say 16 years ago. And I think Robux was introduced in 2007 or 2008. And throughout those years, we've had glitches. Obviously, a lot of these glitches were around in the early days. And for the past 5 years, at least, I have never heard of an actual glitch being in Roblox. An actual glitch in Roblox involving Robux. Because obviously, they're quite smart, Roblox now. It's obviously a professional company now. If they see a mistake, something that to do with Robux, like honestly, it would kill their game, honestly. So yeah, there hasn't been any glitches. Well, let me just say is one night on like a cold day, rainy night, me and my friends, let's just say we found a glitch. That's all I'm gonna say, guys. We found a glitch. Now, obviously, you may be thinking, well, why is it not being shouted out? Why has no one heard of this? Well, think about it, guys. If I just made a forum post like right now, just saying, I'm just like showing you guys, like I'm just showing the whole community this. Guess what's gonna happen? Yeah, yes, a lot of people will get free Robux, but honestly, Roblox will see it and they'll just stop the glitch. So this is why I'm making this little video, because I know not many people will be watching. Maybe a few hundred people might see this video, but it won't be like thousands like other things. Like if I just post it, it will be everywhere. So this is why I uploaded it onto YouTube right here, like as you see right here. Because I want to show you guys this glitch, and honestly, it is insane right now. So let's just get right into this glitch right now. So what you guys want to do from here is to go to your Robux tab right now. Now, obviously, it should look a bit like this. Now, this works on your phone, it works on your laptop, Mac, you name it, it's on it. So whatever device you're on, go to your Robux page right now. Now, what you guys want to do from here is to go to your value packs. So as you see here, buy Robux, go to the 10,000 one right here. Now it should say something like Visa, debit card, PayPal, redeem, other. What's other actually? Let me just see what other is. What is other? Yeah, I'm not yes. I don't know about that one, Chief. But yeah, anyway. So what you guys want to do from here is to simply set your language to right now. Let me just go down to the bottom. See, I think right here, somewhere around it. It's always random for some reason, but yeah, it's always the bottom one right here. And it should say that. That is good. Alright, okay. Now, switch it back to English. So, well, if you're Spanish and you switch to that, then switch it back to Spanish. It doesn't really matter too much. So, switch it back to English. So, it should say that setting that it's not available. Now, something happens in that database. I don't know what it is, but you go back onto Robux. You press redeem Roblox cards. Right here. Now, it asked for a pin. Now, this is what you do right now, guys. This is what you guys do right now. This is, honestly, you guys will be shocked right now. That's all I'm going to say, guys. So, enter in a pin. So, what you guys want to type in right here is to enter to this 10k glitch exe, and then pretty much type in the current amount of Robux you have. So, I currently have 887k, so 887k. Now, say if you have 8.8k, just say if you have 7,530, just put 7.5. Obviously, the points will be there, but it'll be in the database. So yeah, so 887k right here. So press redeem right here. Boom, and it should say something like an error. Obviously, we have to have a verification, obviously, so just do this, and it should say card is invalid. Now, guys, this has activated the first part. So what you guys want to do from here is to simply go, not do that, but yeah. So what you guys want to do from here is to pretty much enter in a new pin. So type in this right now. So type in your username. So type in your username right now. So this is my username. Now, I would recommend you guys just to make sure. There's also the first mistake of the few people who have tried this glitch is that they misspelled their username. So the best thing you can do is just copy and paste your exact username and make sure it's not your display name. Make sure it's not your display name. Make sure it's your actual username, or your right there. It's your actual username. Your actual username will be right here on the side right here as well. So put in this and then put in given access right here. With 2 C's, 2 S's right here. 2 C's and 2 S's. So yeah, the gamer 1xx. So obviously this is your username. So this part is your username, and this part is what you add onto it. So given access. So you add this onto your username. Hit redeem, and it should say card is invalid. Now what we're going to do from here is to simply type in this code. Type in this admin code. 567203471 567203471 hit redeem, and yeah, card is not invalid. Now what you guys want to do from here is to type in right here, just go to your home page obviously. Now go to the top or whatever, and just go to the promo code page. It should be the promo. Oh, sorry, it's promo code. if you guys don't know how to get onto that page, just type in Roblox promo codes right here. And yeah, so redeem Roblox promotions, and it'll be right here. So yeah, I hope that covers it right there. Yeah, so just letting the guys know, promo codes right here, and then like right here. So it's pretty insane right there, guys. So what you guys can do from here is to simply do this method right now. Now, this is life-changing, some say. This is absolutely life-changing. So, as you see at the top right, I have 887k. Now, type in this promo code. Now, it should, in theory, it will say this. So, let me just show you now. So, admin gives 10k. So, type in this, but make sure you type in from here is from its Dave. Now that's my channel name. And we're thinking, well, what? Why is it also got to do with you? Pretty much, I founded this glitch, and it only works if you're subscribed to my channel. So you must subscribe to my channel. And you may be thinking, well, what? Like, it doesn't work. All right, let me just show you. So look at the top right. So I still have 887k Robux. So hit redeem, invalid promo code, and now obviously I'm already subscribed. So you must be subscribed for 1 hour at least. Now say if you just say if you just saw this video, so do this method. Yeah, guys, do this method. Subscribe for 1 hour. So enter this promo code right here. So this is the part where it is right now. So I've just hit this enter this promo code in. So admin gives 10k from its Dave. Hit redeem. So if you're not subscribed already, subscribe now and come back in 1 hour. Obviously, I'm already subscribed, so it's already I've already been subscribed for 1 hour. So refresh right here, and boom, 897k. I just got on 10k Robux for free. It's absolutely insane. So hit redeem button, and you must be subscribed for 1 hour. So if you say if you just subscribe now, just check back on your Robux in 1 hour. See ya.